a really well-known publisher, and they said, "Oh, we'll sell it for $15. You'll get $1.50, and we'll keep $13.50." I haven't sold books before, but I didn't get off the truck last night. And then I sent it to another great group, and they said, "If you buy about $6,000 worth of your own books, we will be happy to be your publisher. We will take the book, it will become ours, and we will receive everything from it." I thought, that doesn't make sense. But I want you to know, on June 30th, I was introduced to this man, Dr. Fred Jones from Louisiana. An international artist called Batty Mason. And Batty and Chuck Mason were like family to me, and they said, "We hear you have a book, but you haven't published it yet." And so I called Dr. Jones. He responded to my application, and I was a virtual student for 4 weeks in one class. Now I'm in the middle of another class. And he's been teaching me by computer. This is the first time I've ever met him, and today